Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change a password in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left bottom of your screen you can see your profile icon. Click on it, then click to profile. Then on the right side of your screen you can see your profile pops up. There, click to the three dot button on the side of View As. Then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. From here, click to Account Settings. Then it will redirect you to Account Setting page. Here in Setting section you can see Password. On the side of Password you can see Expand option. Click to Expand. Here, enter your current password and create a new password with at least of 8 characters with a combination of uppercase letter, lowercase letter, symbols and numbers. Once you are done with that, click to Save Password. Then your password will be changed. This is how you can change password in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.